Hi guys, this is Mrs. Friesen. I won't be here today. Obviously, I'm home with the flu. No, not the coronavirus, just the flu. Um, so today, what I'd like for you to get accomplished is a couple things. If you didn't get this done the other day, 2.2 responding to output, some of you were done with testing all of these, including the buzzer. Some of you were still working on a song when you worked when you look down here, you needed to make sure that you did this number 6. If you've done that, then you're ready to go on to 2.2, testing the standard servo and the servo. And where you can find the actual hex file, it's on 2.2. And if you click over here on standard servo, it'll go right to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a servo that is up in that big yellow black box that I get extra things out of up on the table. And I've labeled them um, kind of where they're located. The standard servo is kind of to the left, I believe, and the continuous servo is to the right. So you need to make sure that you follow directions on how to hook everything up. You will be using your pins to this because I know it looks kind of funny here how they have it, but you're going to be using your pin that to alligator clip to see if you can get your servo to work. Just make sure that you connect everything correctly. On this one, you will be using the 3V and ground together. So make sure you follow directions and try to use the same and make sure that you are connecting these all into the right ones. Okay. Ground will go in the kind of, these are three wires here, and one's kind of a brownish color, and that's considered ground. And then there's a red wire, and it's in the middle. And then the yellow one is on the outside of the servo. So make sure you connect that correctly, or you'll blow the servo, and then that makes me angry. The thing about what's really cool is a standard servo only goes so far. You'll find out when you test it. Please do not force anything to move. Use one of the little helicopters to put on top of it, and then make sure everything goes back in the bag. Um, that irritates me when I have gone around at the end of class and I've seen. The other day I picked up, I don't know, 4 alligator clips because people don't actually look and put all their stuff back in their kits. So make sure you do that. When you're done with testing them, then on the worksheet, this is where my 8th graders ended up messing up on this. But at the very, very bottom, once you've tested it, it's going to ask you to write your own code. And if you notice number 6, it's going to ask you to follow those steps. And then it's going to ask you to wire the speaker, the LED, and also on button press, you have to design the code to have the LED blink 3 times and play Nyan melody. And you guys, you're using if then else statements to create that code. And then you got to make sure you put in your code. Do it. Make sure you do it, please. Make sure you do it and follow along. If you have any questions, send me a message and we'll go from there. But if you get done, donate some beans and maybe code a little or go to engineering games. Please don't play shoot 'em up games, please. Okay. So have a good day and hopefully I'll see you on Wednesday.